Hello Gadgeteers, we're going to do a quick unboxing today of the EPOMAKER DynaTab 75. 75% triple mode, gasket mounted, mechanical keyboard with a dot matrix display. And wow, I need to take a breath after saying that name. But this is a keyboard, a mechanical keyboard that is currently seeking funding on Kickstarter right now. They sent one to me to take a look at and to review, but today I'm going to do a quick unboxing just to show you what it is all about. So let's open this guy up real quick. I have not looked at it yet, so we are going to look at it together. So here we go. Take this plastic lid off. Let's go for the accessories first. Looks like we have a big, thick USB cable, USB-C to USB-A. It's gray, it's thick and rubbery, and it comes with this nice organizational wrap. So there you go. You can use that to connect it to your computer, and it has a kind of industrial look and feel to it. And then we have a good old switch and keycap puller tool. Because it is a mechanical keyboard, so that means that you can customize it if you would like to. And here we have the manual, because everybody needs a manual. Here we go with that. And now for the main course, let's take a look at this keyboard here. Rid of this box. Here's the keyboard. It has a dark gray case. It's plastic. Looks like that there are 2-stage feet so that you can adjust the height of the keyboard. You go there. You've got the USB-C connection on the side, back side, and we have a dot matrix display here. Looks like you can turn it on and off with this button here, maybe. And there's the switch there to decide how you want to connect the keyboard to your computer. There's Bluetooth, there's USB, and there is a dongle. That's kind of cool. The dongle comes out, I presume. There you go. Sticks back in there. And this little cover can go back in place. That's nice. Now it looks like the keys do not have, oh they do. The labels for the keys are on the front edge. So let's remove one of these keycaps. As you can see, it has a dedicated row of function keys. It has more keys here on the side. Delete, page down, page up, insert, PS, print screen, I guess, SL. I'm not sure what SL means. Then you have your inverted arrow keys and all the rest of the keys that you've come to expect. So let's just take this off of here. And there's the keycap. Doesn't look like there's anything special here with this keycap. There you go. And now let's take a look at the switch. I'm not sure exactly what switches are included. It's not a clicky switch, but I'll have to see if I like that. It's probably like a silent switch. Let's put that back in there. this on there. Make sure I get it in the right orientation. Let's just try quick and remember where to put my fingers. It does have little bumps for the F and the G, right? Okay, so very silent. Not a lot of sound there. We'll have to check out this display in the review and see what it's like. Let's see if I can get it to light up just by connecting this cable to the keyboard without connecting it to my computer quite yet. Put that in there. Let's turn off one of these lights. There's your unboxing of the EPOMAKER DynaTab 75. I'll have a full review soon, so be sure and stay tuned.